Extended Pitch, ENT670 Entrepreneurial Strategy 2, the TikiHut Pool&Spa by Sabrina Arch. The problem that we see are untreated pools, long wait times, and the search for someone that can clean, install, or service a pool. The TikiHut Pool&Spa is dedicated to providing high-quality products, maintenance, and superior customer service. Our value proposition is so you can get the most pleasure out of your pool. We use the latest chemical testing techniques to test pools and spas, and our goal is to make sure that the chemicals are balanced and your pool is sparkling and crystal clear. When you have guests over, it's all about presentation. Can you see the difference between the untreated pool on your left and the crystal clear, clean pool on your right? Which one would you swim in? We have established relationships with the best chemical companies and pool suppliers across the country to get the best affordable and high-quality products on the market to service our customers' pool and spa needs. Currently, there are 3 lending sources that are being vetted. The loan needed will be used to purchase supplies, equipment, and pay for contract workers. To reach our customers, the TikiHut Pool&Spa looks to have billboards, commercials, and use multiple social media platforms. The competition is out of range. They are about an hour or further away from the customers I will be helping. The competition also focuses more on spas. The TikiHut Pool&Spa has good relationships with the local communities and businesses, making it hard for competition to come into the area. Sabrina Arch will be the CEO for the TikiHut Pool&Spa and will contract out work as needed. Employees will be added as the business grows. We are asking for $130,000 for product supplies and renovations, and currently for the year projections we're looking to make or expect annual sales to be $250,000, and we're expected $80,000 in profits. Using the bottom-up financial forecast, TikiHut Pool&Spa has projected a steady growth in total income, expenses, and the cash balance due to our 5-year goal of reaching and increasing our customer base by implementing reward and loyalty programs. Money earned will go back into the business, and we look to set up a donation fund or a foundation to help out our community. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.